Hello everyone. Today, I'm dealing with an unusual repair involving an unusual water leak under the sink in the bathroom. The homeowners said they noticed water on the floor and inside the cabinet, so they shut off the water supply to the entire house. I arrived, inspected the area, and asked them to turn the water back on while I observed where the leak might be coming from. I noticed the leak was coming from the area around the hot water pipe, coming out of the wall. After opening up part of the wall, I discovered a non-standard fittings for the inside wall water line. It's called SharkBite fitting. I always say, and will continue to say, that I don't recommend using these types of fittings inside walls. You're taking a 50-50 risk that this type of connection might eventually start leaking. There was also ceiling damage found from the leak. I had to cut out a piece of drywall to drain the water that had collected there, and prevent future damage interior from the moisture and mold. For pipe repair, I had to open up more of the wall under the sink, to make it easier to work with the pipe's fittings and tools. Soldering pipe and fitting inside the wall was not an option because of tight space and some water still inside the pipe. The only quick and reliable solution was to use ProPress copper compression fittings and 18-volt press to fix this pipe properly. I used unique 45-degree fittings, 90-degree fitting, and brass male adapter to the shut-off valve. I recommend a company that offers hundreds of different fittings, valves, and many other plumbing essentials. They carry many fittings that you simply cannot find in a typical local store, and they always have discounts on their products. Stock up on your plumbing supplies at PlumbingSell. I didn't film the actual pressing and connection process because it was hard to work and record in such a tight space. And besides, many of you have already seen how I work with the press tool and similar fittings. As you can see, the previous plumbers somehow managed to install 2 SharkBite fittings in there. So, thanks to the fittings from PlumbingSell, I was able to successfully repair this wall leak. I turned the water back on, tested everything, it's all working perfectly and reliably. Thanks to everyone who watched my channel. Support me in comments, make me some advice and tips. And once again, thank you so much for the company PlumbingSell.com, for the unique fittings and helping me done my work in time. Thanks for watching folks, see you in next projects.